Hi everyone, this is a new feature which you can see it in your WhatsApp. So Ask Meta AI, which is built by Llama 3, which is a Meta developed GBD model. So you can see a wide range of showing options here. You can even search anything, whatever you needed. So I have searched here T20 World Cup schedule, so it's given me the answers and even showed from where the data came exactly. You can even not only go with the messages, even you can generate images with this as well. So sometimes if you want to generate images, so in that time, so you can use this chat Meta AI, so it will generate a cool images with like it have some watermarks, but still it can give you a great image which is expected somewhat better. So even you can see the same images in Tial, so it's somewhat easier because you can use it in WhatsApp easily directly. So I have entered some text prompt here, so it is generating my image whatever I ask the question in 3D model. So you can see it's already generated a 3D model for with a person with a lion. So you can see background there is a hill. So what I mentioned in the context message, what I entered in the text area. So and now even I can ask some same context with some other area. So I'm adding text here. So generate above image with a suited. So you can see even the context is working properly here. It is able to pick what is the above message as well. So now it is going to generate it. It's almost generating my image. Yeah, it's generated. You can see how cool it is. Even you can see below, you can see a below left side, you can see a watermark. So it is related, it is generated by Meta AI. So that's why the watermark is there here. You can see AI image with AI image with AI image. So you can see this what. So this is a cool feature, my friends. So try to use it.